Building a winning team is one of the most crucial steps for any entrepreneur aiming for success. Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore essential tips for creating the team of your dreams. Start by defining clear roles and responsibilities. Understanding what each team member is responsible for eliminates confusion and sets the stage for accountability. Next, prioritize diverse skills and perspectives. A team that brings varied experiences and viewpoints to the table is more adaptable and innovative. It's not just about having different skills, but also about having a team that can look at problems from various angles. Hiring is just the beginning. Fostering a culture of open communication is vital. Ensure that your team feels comfortable sharing ideas and feedback. Regular meetings and an open-door policy can go a long way in building trust. Remember, great teams are built on a foundation of trust and respect. Without these, collaboration can fall apart. Mentorship and personal development should also be high on your list. Encourage continuous learning and provide opportunities for your team to grow their skills. This not only benefits the company, but also shows employees that you value their development, increasing morale and loyalty. Empower your team to make decisions. Micromanaging stifles creativity and growth, so instead provide guidance and let them take ownership of their projects. Celebrate successes and learn from failures together. Equally important is aligning your team around a common vision and goals. When everyone is moving in the same direction, motivated by a shared purpose, success becomes more attainable. And finally, don't underestimate the power of appreciation. Recognizing hard work and achievements fosters a positive work environment and motivates your team to excel. In conclusion, building a winning team requires careful planning and ongoing commitment. By setting clear roles, fostering communication, investing in development, promoting empowerment and unity, while showing appreciation, you're well on your way to creating a team that not only meets but exceeds your entrepreneurial goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into building a successful business.